This video will discuss 10 of the top health benefits of drinking bay leaf tea. 1. Bay leaf tea boosts the immune system. 2. Bay leaf tea promotes digestion. Bay leaf tea can help to promote digestion and relieve stomach pain. 3. Bay leaf tea reduces stress and anxiety. 4. Bay leaf tea reduces cholesterol levels. Bay leaf tea can help to reduce cholesterol levels. This is due to compounds like linalool and geraniol in bay leaves. These compounds have been shown to lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, the good cholesterol. 5. Bay leaf tea regulates blood sugar levels. 6. Bay leaf tea relieves respiratory problems. 7. Bay leaf tea keeps skin healthy and youthful looking. 8. Bay leaf tea strengthens bones and teeth. 9. Bay leaf tea protects against harmful toxins. 10. Bay leaf tea improves heart health. Bay leaf tea is rich in antioxidants like eugenol and quercetin, which improve heart health.